Hey everybody, James at Pot Metal Repair with another crazy pot metal modification actually. As you can see, this one has been broken before and there was an attempt to repair it, and I can't blame a guy for trying. That's all I'm gonna say about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this section out here and put this section in here, and that way this one here, because this one here we've already fixed the opposite side, and this here is a different year, so it doesn't work at all. As you can see it doesn't line up. It's nowhere near the right one. But this section here is the same, almost the same, with a little bit of taper here and this. So, but we're gonna have to cut it here, cut it up here, and basically I'm just gonna cut this thing off and graft it onto this one. So anyhow, stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting one. Alright, thanks a lot for watching and stick around. Bye-bye. Alright, we're back with the completed repair, and as you can see we just grafted the donor quarter frame or vent window frame bracket part, this whole section here, in on this frame, so it would be good. But yeah, we got it in pretty good shape. So that's it, and I hope you guys like it, and thanks again for watching our videos.